Hello everyone, this is Silam. Today we are changing oil on the 2011 Audi Q7 TDI. It's the same process for 2010 to 2015 Audi Q7. So we will start at the bottom. So there are screw that we have to remove to drop the front panel. It goes around the front panel, and then when we are done with that, there are more screw. Some of them are over here. I think 10 milliliter should work. Yeah, 10 milliliter to remove it, so we can drop this panel and gain access to the oil pan. So let's do it. Now we're going to use H6X. I think that's what it's called here. To remove the drain plug, we will use it to remove the drain plug for the oil from the oil pan. And after removing the drain plug, we drain the oil. So this is a new drain plug that I bought. So I use this to remove the old one. Yeah. So we have the oil draining now. And we will go up and remove the oil filter as well. All right, guys. The oil filter is located under this cover here. Here's the oil filter. To remove the filter, you have to be careful. It's kind of tight in there. So there is a coolant. This line here is a coolant line. So if you are not careful, you have to wiggle a little bit. You are likely to break this if you are not careful. So I advise you guys to be patient and wiggle a little bit to remove it so you don't snap this coolant line. About this set on Amazon, it has different size to remove the oil filter. So for this one, let's see, it looks like 32. Yeah, so this one is 32 millimeter for the Audi Q7. Oil filter cap is 32 millimeter. So it's kind of tight there. Okay, let me grab some plastic bag to put the filter in. Alright guys, so the new filter is put in, and